I still remember the day my little brother Zaid and I stepped into a magical plastic factory. I was wearing my favorite white lab coat over my navy blue dress with golden stars, and Zaid had on his coolest cartoon car shirt. We were about to uncover the secrets of plastic. We walked through glowing silver towers and floating pipes, with a friendly robot in a yellow vest guiding us. We saw black oil transform into glowing plastic pellets, and then watched as melted plastic formed a toy car right before our eyes. It was like magic. The robot even gave us each a glowing memory pellet to take home. Back in our sunny room, Zaid and I held our new toy and marble, beaming with excitement. We even got to mix cornstarch and water with a grown-up to create our own gooey plastic. It was such a fun day, and I couldn't wait to share our amazing adventure with everyone. I learned that with a little curiosity and creativity, even the most ordinary things can become extraordinary.